what's up? How's it going? Yeah, the suit that was jerking, my old jerking suit. I'm just gonna change the profile to like something else. Well, today I'm showing you about BB gun I just got. I'm just kind of like starting, so it's like my first gun. I got it like 3 weeks ago. And I'm gonna get me a rifle and all that stuff. But here it is right here. You see it, it's like the lows easily. Hold on, so I can show you. Lay it right here. See? See? It has the orange piece on. I'm trying to paint it, but I can't right now. Here's the magazine. As you can see, knows that many bullets. I'm like 11. I had to put tape on it because it's like a really cheap gun. And like when you, I'm gonna show you. If you like stick the mag in, it'll fall out. But I put the tape on it so no falling. And I'm gonna be showing you like what it does when I shoot it. Got what it's called right now. But if people can tell me what it is, that'll really help. Alright, let me reload it. Oh, when you reload it, it sounds good too. Just for like a $10 bought this gun for $10, like it reloads good, like for a $10 gun. See? Two bullets just came out right now. I ain't mean to do that. You put them back in. I'm really low on ammo right now because I have to go back to the store and go get some more, like about 5 or $1,000 because they're like $2 each. Yeah. So I'm gonna be shooting at the pictures so you can see how hard this shit. And then there's the gun. Let me cock it back so I can get ready to shoot. Alright. They put dents in it for their can, another bullet. Hold on really quick. Alright, here's another one. And now I'm going to show you what it did. It dented the picture. All that from me shooting it, like as you can see, like right here, right there, right there. This is the first, when I shot the first, that's what you see right here. That one right there. And that's pretty much it. Signing out. Now I'm gonna start my new clip. Start getting a new clip with BB gun. And yeah, the name of the plan is going to be NWG. You know what I mean, like NWA. Ends with gun, but that's what it's going to stand for. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright.